sådan små sprutbade.
Det som er, den her, den er ikke helt vellejst i grønser, det er sådan en søjle. Det er en søjletakt. Også alt, hvad det skyer, det ikke skyer den vej herovre af. Så uanset hvad den sætter op, så skal det jo snarere og røges rundt med også. Man er jo ikke heldig, man kan ikke få nogle gode af sig selv grene. Fordi at det er en søjle. Men jeg har masser af taktikker, som når jeg har klippet for eksempel omkring i jorden foran.
Du ved godt, at taks, det brugte man til langbrug i gamle dage, så man stod med den, fordi det sådan noget træ.
Nej, det var ikke klar over. Det kunne jeg ikke op i omvæggen her. En rigtig langbrug.
En rigtig fleksibel, fordi det er...
Det er så knuder.
Jamen altså, fordi det egentlig er et fleksibelt træ. Jeg har ikke set nogen lave langbrug. Selvfølgelig gør han det.
Ja, det er jo meget rart. Lige præcis. Det er også en pointe. Ja. So we don't have any spare now?
No, it's not going back now.
Oh, can't you stitch it up, you know, like the surgeons do?
Do what the Japanese do and put a dowel in there and plonk it back on.
Oops.
Har vi affaldssæk i hånden, tror jeg?
Well, I'm not going to do this.
Jamen, du lader det bare ligge på gulvet. Søren har sækkerne i bilen.
Well, sure, we should. I just want to get the feeling, yeah, of what it's going to look like when it's done. So I can design the tree around. Because you have to make the deadwood, you actually blend in here to the live foliage, you know. It's always a thing of play between those two, yeah. A lot of people do the trees where they do the deadwood, yeah, and the foliage has no link with it, you know what I mean, at all. It's just a completely different design, you know.
Yeah.
But the two things have to work together, you know. The story has to make sense, you know.
Yeah, but that's the difficult part.
That's the difficult part, yeah, for sure, you know. So, okay, what I need you to do now is to clean this.
Yeah.
And I want it cleaned. Oh, we're going to keep everything as well, yeah, because I want it clean to that extent, you know. If you can do that all over here, you know. You know, it's not much here, you know. Like in here, look, it's very, very lumpy, yeah, yeah. So if you can, and be definite, yeah, about the pulling, yeah, that you do. You know, don't pull them that way, yeah. Pull them directly out this way, yeah. You know. Some people cut them, yeah, they think it's less harmful, yeah. But actually, what happens, I think, is you know, you can get mould and diseases, yeah, if you cut them, yeah, if you leave the shoots there, you know. Best way is to pull them out, yeah. The resin, you know, this tree's got its own pitch, the resin goes into the holes, you know, it heals up on its own, yeah, and it's a much more effective way. So clean it all over.
Yeah.
And then we'll get the